Welcome to Lesson 6. On this one, I want to do a brief lesson that shows you how to add a title to your movie. Alright, so you can come over here and you can come to the beginning of it. Go up to File, New, go to Title, Title, New. You can do Still, Rolling, Crawl, Basic Template. Just go to Still, Default Still. Okay? We'll call this one Intro. Okay? And say OK. Now it comes up looking like this. You can use, if you type in here, we'll say it's on the wrong font. So let's go to a font we want. Come down, pick any font that you choose. Doesn't matter which one. Maybe one that actually looks like letters would be a good idea. And right now you can see the color is white. You can change the color to something else if you want to. Let's just call this, type in here, let's call it Swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. So we have our swimming. If I come back up here to my selection tool, I can move it down where I want it to go. Down here you can see you have some preset things that you can click on to make it look different. You can change the color from black here to red. So I could click here, change it to any color I want inside here. And you see how it changes it. You can move it to the center again. Scroll down. You can look at lots of different things. So it can go all different ways. These are preset. Again, here, this one is a gradient. I'm going to go back to this. I think I'll change it to red. You can do whatever you want. Remember, at any point, what you need to do is pause while I'm talking and play with it yourself. And if I click out of it, just click it off, you're going to see down here in your project that now you have something called Swimming. So if I grab this Swimming and put it right here on top, it will be on top of my video like that. So you can look at it, you could put it before, you could put it anywhere you want, more than one place. You can put it on top of itself like this, so I could have Swimming twice. So it doubles itself up. And there you go. Now you can't tell because it's something different. Okay? What if on this one, instead I delete it, make another File, New, Title, and say I'll call this one Intro 2, and say OK. And it shows you what it's going to look like on top of wherever I have my picture on there. And I think I will click on here to type, and I'll say with. Oh, it's still that weird font. Let's change the font to a font where we can tell what it is. I'll just scroll down to anything. And I'm going to say with. Click in the space. Type W-I-T-H. Oh, I still have something weird. Wingdings. But I'm going to get rid of that. I can highlight it just like you do in anything and click here. There's with. And what I'm going to do with this is close it again. Now you'll see with is down here. I'm going to pull it up right here. So now what happens is I have Swimming with, and then you could put whatever else you wanted. Okay? So that's making your titles. What I want to show you a little bit about real quick here also is when you go to the effects tools, so you come here and you're on effects, you can change your opacity. This is also another way. See how if I scroll it down, how the opacity of this gets less and less. If I was on my Swimming, like click on the Swimming part, again click on my opacity, and I could make that less and less. So it could fade in. Okay? So that's how we do that. If I click here, click and make a spot start here. I want to start this keystroke here with my opacity at 1. But then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click right here again for this. I want to spot, and I'm going to make my opacity to 100. You see how that goes like that? So now when I scroll through, it's going to go less and more. And that's how you can change within one clip how it works. So if I go out of here like this, and now I'm going to click my space bar, you can see how swimming is slowly fading in. And width just stays the way it was because I didn't do it anywhere but the one place. So take a little bit of time now and play with titles.